we're diving into the world of tech wizardry to bring you not one, not two, but 12 incredible gadgets to decorate your room with. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready to be amazed as we unveil these game-changing devices. Are you tired of spilling your drinks and snacks all over yourself while you relax? Fear not, for the CouchConsole tray is here to save the day. The high-performance gyroscope system ensures that your cup stays in a perfect vertical position, no matter how uneven or soft the surface is. It's like having your own personal butler keeping your drinks upright. And with the anti-spill system, you can say goodbye to those pesky spills. Most standard glasses will fit securely in place, even if you accidentally elbow the tray while binge-watching your favorite show. You know what's also cool? The 4 independent modules are designed to be customized to suit your needs. Whether you need more storage for your essentials or prefer to divide your snacks and drinks, the CouchConsole is the perfect tool. Plus, with its sleek and stylish design, it's perfect for any room in your home, RV, car backseat, or even on a picnic. And it's designed to last, ensuring you enjoy years of use. With its USB-C port on top linked directly to the storage space, you can easily connect any external battery to keep all your tech accessories and devices juiced. Looking for a dose of nostalgia? The Elago W6 Apple Watch stand offers a delightful blast from the past, aligning your Apple Watch display to resemble the iconic design of the classic iPod music player. With this stand, you can enjoy a nostalgic view of your Apple Watch display, adding a touch of retro charm to your charging experience. Conveniently place it near your bed to access key functions such as alarm clocks and messages while keeping your Apple Watch charged and ready for action. Walk down memory lane with this Apple Watch stand. Calling all gamers, this is a gadget that you would want to see. The GIM Gaming Mousepad is a gaming accessory designed to enhance your gaming experience while keeping your devices charged and ready to go. Featuring built-in 15-watt wireless fast charging capabilities, this mousepad is compatible with smartphones that support wireless charging. This RGB mousepad also takes your gaming setup to the next level with its super luminous customized 10 lighting modes. The memory function ensures that your last light mode choice is remembered every time you switch it on, providing a personalized touch to your gaming environment. Not only does the pad offer a smooth and accurate surface for precise mouse control, but its anti-slip base keeps it firmly in place on your desk, providing a stable platform for intense gaming sessions. Additionally, professional edge stitching combined with waterproof material prevents fraying and ensures a longer lifespan for your mousepad, making it the perfect addition to any gamer's arsenal. The KNZ portable speakers offer an immersive audio experience with spatially separated left and right channels, enhancing the delivery of authentic stereo effects. Whether you prefer to keep the speakers connected for a traditional setup or separate them for music from different angles, the magnetic bases provide versatility in how you enjoy your music. Equipped with dual driver technology on each side, these speakers deliver vibrant, bright, and full sound across the entire spectrum, ensuring exceptional audio quality from low-end to high-end frequencies. Designed to withstand the elements, the speakers are IPX5 certified with a waterproof housing and sealed unibody casing, providing protection against water splashes, rain, and snow. With convenient features like the hanging ring design and included carabiner, carrying the speakers on the go is comfortable and hassle-free. Plus, the magnetic base allows for versatile placement options, allowing you to attach the speakers to any magnetic surface, from your car to your refrigerator, providing ultimate flexibility in how you enjoy your music. This handheld gaming console from Logitech will take your gaming experience to the next level. What makes this gadget unique is that it brings the power of cloud gaming directly into your hands, allowing you to play hundreds of AAA titles without the need for downloads or hardware updates. It integrates perfectly with Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce, and gives you access to additional cloud services through the Google Play Store. As for the specifications of this device, it's equipped with a 7-inch Full HD 1080p touchscreen with a 60Hz refresh rate and a 16:9 full screen. It has a lightweight design weighing only 463 grams and comes with an impressive battery life of over 12 hours, allowing to play all day long. Moreover, equipped with gaming-grade controls including haptics, a gyroscope, and customizable controls, this handheld console emerges as an excellent choice for gaming fans. Keep your family and yourself safe with a MOOKA Air Purifier. This purifier is your ally against allergies, equipped with filters that effectively eliminate dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander. Utilizing advanced air spiral technology and a 360-degree air inlet and outlet, This room air purifier refreshes the air up to 5 times per hour in spaces of up to 300 square feet, promoting a healthier and more comfortable living environment with a 25% increase in purification efficiency. This portable air purifier isn't confined to just one space. With its USB-C charging cable, it can be powered by a power bank, car charger, or computer, allowing you to enjoy fresh air whether you're at home, at work, or on the road. Operating at only 15 decibels in sleep mode, it ensures a peaceful rest, with the option to switch on a night ambient light. Additionally, equipped with a fragrance sponge, this mini air purifier for pets and smokers allows you to add essential oils to enhance your indoor air, creating a healthy, comfortable, and relaxing environment free from unwanted odors. Elevate your entertainment experience with Nanoleaf 4D, the ultimate screen mirror camera kit that brings your favorite content to life like never before. By syncing the colors from your screen onto the addressable gradient LED light strip mounted behind it, Nanoleaf 4D creates an immersive 4D effect that transforms your space into a dynamic visual spectacle. Whether you're watching movies, playing video games, or streaming your favorite shows, the vibrant backlighting illuminates your surroundings with stunning colors, taking your viewing experience beyond the screen. You can enhance your entertainment experience further by enabling Sync Plus in the Nanoleaf app to extend the screen sync effects across more than 50 Nanoleaf RGB lights, including Nanoleaf shapes and lines. The kit features an ultra-vivid screen mirroring capability, a trimmable light strip for customized installations, and a privacy cover for the camera. Compatible with TV screens or monitors, Nanoleaf 4D offers a seamless integration into your home entertainment system, delivering an unparalleled visual feast for the senses. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the cosmos with the POCOCO Galaxy Star Projector, featuring a next-generation high-transparency optical lens that reveals every detail of the night sky. With an industrial-grade 2 million pixel lens, this projector offers unparalleled clarity and realism. The meticulously etched HD disc lens, crafted using cutting-edge photolithography, brings the universe to life right before your eyes, allowing you to experience the wonders of space from the comfort of your room. The built-in timer automatically turns off the nightlight after 2 hours, ensuring a restful and uninterrupted slumber. Dive into an array of disc series sets, from constellations and starry skies to the Milky Way and planetary discs, and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the galaxy. Definitely a must-have for space enthusiasts. No need to worry about tangled cords and multiple charging stations thanks to STM ChargeTree Go. This 3-in-1 charging station is a versatile wireless charger designed to meet all your charging needs on the go. With the ability to simultaneously charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and fold up to fit your pockets easily, it makes for the ultimate charging solution. It's not only compatible with Apple products, but with Android phones too. When folded up, the ChargeTree Go transforms into a charging platform, allowing you to charge your phone while maintaining a low profile. Its spring-loaded, retractable Apple Watch charger ensures your watch is held and charged at just the right angle for nightstand mode, while also seamlessly tucking away when not in use. It's also designed to accommodate AirPods in their wireless charging case and most non-metal phone cases. Struggling with time management and productivity? Meet your potential solution, the Ticktime Cube, a game-changer for efficient time management. It's incredibly straightforward. Just flip it over to kickstart the countdown, selecting from its 4 preset times, or customize it to suit your needs. Equipped with various timing modes, including countdown mode for workouts, study sessions, cooking, office tasks, and many more, the Ticktime Cube ensures versatility for all your timing requirements. Moreover, its Pomodoro mode keeps you on track and focused, signaling 25-minute work intervals followed by 5-minute breaks. It also comes packed with features like pause and resume functionality, adjustable sound alerts, and a compact, magnetic, and rechargeable design. Working out on the go has never been easier thanks to the Unitree PUMP Pro, the ultimate on-the-go gadget for resistance training. Offering a range of resistance levels from 4.4 to 44 pounds, this innovative device eliminates the hassle of traditional elastics. Simply adjust the resistance with a tap of the app to customize your workout to perfection. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, the PUMP Pro adapts to your needs, allowing you to combine multiple units for increased resistance and efficiency. Diversify your training regimen with 6 distinct modes. Each mode offers a unique challenge to keep your workouts engaging and effective. You can explore over 100 free videos and courses within the PUMP app to master each movement with proper form and technique. You can even track your progress effortlessly with the app's comprehensive workout data feature, recording your reps, sets, and calories burned. With its compact and lightweight design, the Pump Pro is your go-to fitness companion, allowing you to achieve a full-body workout anytime, anywhere. The Yaber Smart Projector redefines home entertainment with its cutting-edge features and immersive audiovisual experience. Equipped with dual 10-watt JBL stereo speakers and Dolby audio support, this projector delivers dynamic sound quality that enhances movie nights, gaming sessions, and presentations. With two-way Bluetooth functionality, you can seamlessly switch off the screen and transform it into a high-quality JBL Bluetooth speaker. Featuring a 1080p display resolution and 800 ANSI lumens brightness, the Yaber Smart Projector ensures every detail is displayed with remarkable clarity, brightness, and color accuracy, creating a perfect picture in any room setting. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, along with access to over 7,000 apps and 400,000 plus movies and TV episodes, including popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney+, the K2S offers limitless entertainment options. Moreover, the innovative NFC screencast function enables effortless casting of movies from your NFC-enabled phone to the projector, while compatibility with Alexa allows for convenient voice-controlled operation, further enhancing your entertainment experience.